Hey guys, TerrorPUP here, and we're going to talk about backing up SD cards. So the link up above is where I rebuilt my GitLab server that was running on one of these. Yes, this is an SD card. I don't recommend you running uh, stuff off of one of these if you mean to keep it. But if you do, you need to make a backup. So with that, I'm going to show you how to make a backup of the SD card that you can later reimage. So, all right, 1 second, please. Sorry about that. So, the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a card reader. You can get these off of Amazon um, fairly cheap. I paid $8 for this one. I got this at Micro Center. I paid $12 there. And most of them nowadays come with a regular SD card slot and a micro SD card slot. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to go ahead and put it into there, and I'm going to attach it to my computer. Okay. And the noise that you're hearing in the background is my Windows machine reading it and also complaining that it's in a file format that it doesn't understand, because this is a Linux format. It's an Armbian image that I use, and its default file system is ext4. You can buy programs that will let you read it, but for this demonstration, we're not going to worry about that. Now, I'm going to show you real quick, and let's go ahead and go to my desktop, okay? And you'll notice that I have two applications open already. The first one I'm going to show you real quick is Etcher. And Etcher will let you do a backup, but it's a clone, and you will need two SD cards. One is your source that you want to back up, and the other is the destination. And I would recommend that they be the same size, or one being larger. And you would simply come down here to clone. You would select your SD card. Okay, then you go to select image, and that's where you would select your other SD card, and you would write it, and you would move from there. But because right now I don't have another Samsung Evo 128, I'm going to make a backup. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a directory, okay, that you can just write to. So on my D drive, okay, there's a folder called backups that we're going to write to, okay, and you're going to give it the name that you want to save it as, okay. And as you can see, I'm calling mine WordPress, and then 02 for February, and 25 because it's the year 25. And then once you do that, you need to make sure that you select your drive. Okay, let's go back in here real quick just so I can show you. This SDXC, that is the SD card I want to read. And now that we got all this set up, we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit read. Okay. And now it's going to take it a while, and I'm not going to sit here and make you guys suffer through, but that's it. Once I got an image, okay, with once I have the image saved to my D drive, now I can actually use Etcher in the future instant if I need to do a restore and restore it to an SD card. Now, one of the things I'm going to do periodically is once a month, power down, okay? Because you want to make sure that when you remove your SD card that you do it so that nothing gets damaged, okay? But that's pretty much it, guys. It's very simple. Win32 disk imager is what you need to use. And yeah. All right. Yeah, make periodical backups, because if you lose the SD card, you can rebuild, but you'll never be back to where you were. Okay, and it's always good to have a backup. All right, this is TerrorPUP. Until next time, peace.